Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reliable car. Choose one that survives quick chases and fits inside the bay. Once done, confirm you have at least $500 on hand for fees or unexpected costs. Drive directly to the car wash entrance, align with the service marker, and approach slowly so the interaction prompt appears. Make sure to clear nearby NPCs or vehicles that could block the door. You should see the on-screen prompt to enter. Press the interaction button to begin the hands-on wash. You now execute the wash routine. Follow each on-screen prompt to scrub, rinse, and then apply wax. Press the indicated buttons with timing, shorter taps for light scrubs and longer holds for deep cleaning, because combos boost the quality meter and increase rewards. Once the rinse stage starts, rotate the camera to inspect missed spots and repeat the appropriate action. Make sure to stay centered inside the bay and don't exit early. Leaving interrupts the sequence and lowers final payout. You finish with a final polish and then accept the payout or drive the cleaned vehicle into storage. Once completed, check your receipts and any quality bonuses. If the interaction fails or the quality meter freezes, immediately reload the last checkpoint or disconnect and rejoin the session to reset the script. This usually restores progress. If problems persist, re-enter the bay and repeat the last step, and keep a screenshot with server time and exact actions to report a reproduction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.